Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. So we're going to be making something kind of like this. So it pretty much just holds open like pages in a book, obviously a paperback. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so up on the top left by sketch, it's the uppermost left one. It'll say line or L, and then click V to go into this view. So now there's these little boxes that have, or not really little, they're kind of big, but they have these a little bit thicker lines. So you want to go 2.5 boxes down. So that's 1, 2 boxes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the boxes are 5 by 5. No, sorry, no, 10 by 10. And then from there, you want to go 1.5 boxes out, and then one box. Well, then 1.5 boxes up. Actually, no, right here. So 2 boxes out from the first box here. So then it's kind of a rectangle from the middle. So 1 box, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 10.5 boxes out. No, sorry, no, 4.5 boxes out. So then from there, from here you go 2 boxes. Then you're in the middle there, and then you go up 1 box. Then from there, you go 1.5 boxes out. Actually, no, just 1 box out. Then straight up, and then you go on the green line right here. Actually, no, it's more half a box. It's like here. And then from there, you kind of just mirror that. So, 1. Well, yeah, so you kind of just mirror that, and I'll see you guys when I'm done with the mirror. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, I'm done. So now that you're done, up 2 blocks to the left, or 2 selections to the left from the line, up on the top left selection thing by sketch, you'll see a circle, circle. So what you want to do, click on circle, and then from the middle, go up one box thing, and then you want to make a 20mm circle. Actually, I'm going to do 22.5. Just so then, like the line on top is thinner. Okay, so now that you're done with that, go to pull, and click on this face, pull it up 2mm, pull this circle up a fair amount, then pull it back down, so then there's a hole in the middle. Now click on the edge here, and then control click the edge over here. Now you pull out like 20mm, so then it's fairly smooth. Actually, I'm going to do 30. Yeah, that's pretty smooth. Now you click this edge, and then control click this one, pull them in like 0.5 millimeters. Then here, control click here, pull out like a fair amount, That rhymed, I'm cool, yay. Okay, this edge and this edge. Then you pull them in, like 15. Now the top part, you pull it in like 20, like 20 millimeters, like 20 millimeters. Now, I'm actually gonna pull this part in 35. So then it's a bit more like rounded. Now, H for home. So I'm actually gonna do this one and then pull it in like 1 millimeter. So now this is what we are left with. So personally, I'm actually going to do the move tool, then move this down. I'm gonna move it down 5 millimeters, then do here and then V. As you guys can, actually this has to be pulled up a bit more. 3.5. Then V. So like then you guys can see it looks pretty good. I'm actually gonna pull this so then there's no curve to the back part. So now that that's done, you're done, and so you have to export it as an STL. So I'm just gonna quickly save it. Well, then I'm gonna import it into the slicer, and then once I'm done with that, I'll see you guys then. So guys, as you guys can see, it's in the slicer now, and like I don't really know what else to say, but like slice it, and there it is. Personally, now that I'm looking back at it, you guys should probably round this edge a bit more and the other side also a bit more because it's not really rounded enough. But yeah, that's kind of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.